Break the ice, meaning to start a conversation in a social setting. At the party, John told a joke to break the ice.
Hit the books, meaning to study hard. I have an exam tomorrow, so I need to hit the books.
Let the cat out of the bag, meaning to reveal a secret. He let the cat out of the bag about surprise party.
Spill the beans, meaning to confess or reveal secret information. Don't spill the beans about our new project.
Once in a blue moon, meaning something that happens very rarely. I eat fast food once in a blue moon.
Under the weather, meaning feeling sad or unwell. She's feeling under the weather today and stayed home.
Piece of cake, meaning something very easy. The test was a piece of cake. Bite the bullet, meaning to do something difficult or unpleasant that you have been avoiding. I hate going to dentist, but I'll have to bite the bullet. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. That designer bag cost her an arm and a leg.
Hit the sack, meaning go to bed. I'm really tired. I'm going to hit the sack.
Like and subscribe.